Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade marshmallows. First, gather your ingredients: unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and pure vanilla extract. Next, prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan. Lightly grease it, then dust generously with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. This prevents sticking and makes for easy removal later. Make sure your stand mixer is ready to go. Now let's get the gelatin ready. In your stand mixer bowl, combine the gelatin with 1/2 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 minutes. While that's softening, prepare your sugar syrup. In a medium saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Continue heating the syrup until it reaches exactly 240 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. Once it hits this temperature, immediately remove it from the heat. Turn your stand mixer on low speed. Carefully and slowly pour the hot sugar syrup into the bloomed gelatin mixture. Once all the syrup is added, increase the mixer speed to high and whip for 10 to 15 minutes until the mixture is very thick and fluffy. Finally, pour the fluffy marshmallow mixture into your prepared pan, spreading it evenly with a greased spatula. Let it set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Once firm, dust the top with more powdered sugar and cornstarch. Invert onto a cutting board, dust the bottom, and cut into squares using a greased knife. Remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.